About that Central Indiana man now in custody.
News 8's Katie Wisely has been going through the FBI documents. Katie, I know there's a lot to read here. What have you found?
Yeah, exactly. Good morning. Well, those court documents show that Jon Schaffer turned himself into authorities Sunday afternoon. He faces 6 charges, including engaging in an act of physical violence in a Capitol building. The FBI says the Iced Earth guitarist, which you can see right there in those pictures, was photographed and seen on surveillance video carrying bear spray and arguing with Capitol police officers inside the Capitol. Pictures from the riot show Schaffer wearing a baseball cap that says Oath Keepers lifetime member. Authorities say the Oath Keepers described themselves as a militia of former law enforcement and military personnel. Court documents say Schaffer attended a MAGA march in November in Washington and allegedly told a member of the press that if somebody wants to bring violence, we are ready. Quickly after he was photographed at the January 6th riot, the band released a statement on social media condemning the riot and violence. We're going to pull that up here for you now. They say, "We hope that all those involved that day are brought to justice to be investigated and answer for their actions. There are really no proper words to console. We are with you in your shock, grief, and pain." Schaffer also faces charges of disrupting orderly conduct of government business, violent entry in a Capitol building, and engaging in an act of physical violence against any person or property on restricted grounds. Live in the newsroom, Katie Wisely, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
All right, Katie.